Definitely Nissan has a very, very competitive SUV in the class now. With the Terra, definitely they're going to shake up the segment, and it's going to be a very interesting comparison with the others.
It wasn't an easy trail, it was actually quite challenging.
I'm very happy, simply very happy, because I'm meeting my friends in Filipina region, and also today my colleagues, hundreds, thousands of the people behind this car make today's things. It's really happy, to represent them today.
What I like most about the Nissan Terra is its versatility. The fact that you can drive it on-road, on the highway, in the city, but also off-road, and it's really comfortable. I mean, the quietness inside, the excellent handling makes this car really unique.
I drove it on two-wheel drive and then switched to the different four-wheel drive modes, and even activated the differential lock. The power was quite good, the chassis was very good, the approach and departure angles were very, very good.
There are so many features in the Terra, but when I was choose one thing, basically quietness is the most capable performance compared to others. So very, very quiet. That is good.
Simple